for bringing me for this cooking set toy and this book. I will unbox now my toy. Mom, I will just get the tape here. Wow, so big. Oopsie, I cannot get it. Wow. So big, so big, so big. Wow. This is so big. Just this is a cabinet. This is a boiling pot. And this is a clock. And this is the, I don't know what is this, but another clock here. A little one to place a cup. Or another one for the, here's a frying pan. Looks like a window. Ooh, some yummy foods and a refrigerator. I will open this now. Look. Oh, wow! Get this thing. We can open this to put something here or some sandwich. I will get it under here. And we can take off the lid of the frying pan. Also, look at this. Then we cannot press this, but we can switch this. And we cannot open this thing. We can open the oven or the drawer. No, we can open it, but we cannot press this thing. Yummy. One here and a refrigerator. That's all. We can open the refrigerator up. We can put some food or eggs here or sandwiches or fish on the top. That's why I want to play it right now. Bye. And this is book. We can open this up, or you collect everything of this limited edition, or this one, or you can collect everything or you want this. So many you can collect. This and 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 this. Yes, you can collect so many. And this is my toy. It came with the sink we can turn around and a stove. And this one to switch the fire on. And oven we can open it. How this thing. And in the back side we cannot open this one on the back. And we got a chicken and a carrot. And also this one, where's the frying pan? The frying pan is here sticky. We can put this thing on the frying pan and this thing on the boiling pot. Let's open the refrigerator and put the carrot here. Close it. And one more for the chicken. Wow. And then there's something inside of here. And also this, oops. And this one is big. We can open this up. We can wash things here. And a clock, something here we can put. This one open, and this one on the back is simple. And then this one too, we can put this thing here and then cover the cap, and then we can cook. This is my toy and this is my book. Bye. Bye.